I honestly had no idea that homemade nachos in the air fryer could get any better, but once I tried them with Doritos, you can say I am honestly seriously hooked.
My itches live in Texas.
I had a tasting at a local grocery store to check out their new items and share them on social media, and while I was there, I picked up a few ingredients, including some nacho cheese Doritos. Well, these were like Doritos knockoffs. So when I came home, I got my air fryer prepped. I love this air fryer. I added on a bunch, like a huge layer of those cheese Doritos, a cup of cooked chicken. You could use rotisserie or my recipe for smoked whole chicken, about 1 cup shredded cheese, cheddar, Monterey Jack, whatever you like. And then add on some buffalo sauce at this point, drizzle on maybe a 1/4 cup or so. Then you air fry all of that at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I did about 8 minutes until that cheese was gooey and bubbly and all nice and melted. And then for the grand finale for these viral buffalo chicken Doritos nachos, all I did was add on some blue cheese dressing and some chopped cilantro. These are so tasty, definitely good for game day, or if you just want to change up like an after school snack or something fun to make on the weekend. I can't recommend these enough.